indoor air purifier. It's the coconut carbon fan filters. They're peel and stick. You stick them on top of your fans. It's for allergens, dust, pollen, smoke. It says it helps with smells, all the things. I'm really interested to see how well these work. I got them all out today and I put them on my daughter's ceiling fan because she uses her fan more than everybody else. And we're gonna see how well they do their job. I've heard really good things about these and I'm pretty excited. You do want to make sure that your fan is clean, so I took a dust rag and wiped off the top and edges of my fan real quick. And then they just have a little peel and stick on the back you take off, and they just stick right to the top. You can't even see them. You don't even know they're there. I just thought these were so cool.